Hey Honeywoos, welcome to another episode on this segment. So today I'll be speaking from Genesis 8:22. This is just an encouragement to anybody that it could relate to. Genesis 8:22 says that as long as the world exists, there will be a time for planting and a time for harvest. There will always be cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night. This is just one verse, and today I came across this scripture. It's not as if I've not come across it before, but today it spoke to me, and I just want to encourage as many people as are out there that may also need this message. What I understood from it is that no matter what happens in this world, you understand, like irrespective of maybe economic conditions or whatever happens, so far as you sow, you will definitely reap. So every good thing, everything you're putting in, every effort and everything you do, fruits will definitely come from it, because irrespective of the situation of the world, even if the world were to be turned upside down, sowing time and harvest time will never cease. It will always be so. Whatever you give in, you will definitely get something out of it. So I hope this is able to encourage someone out there. Don't stop doing the good you do.